Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series on how to use Wavecell's customer portal. Today we are going to go over how to get instant customer feedback with SMS Engage. Let's get started on the SMS sender. Choose the contacts you wish to send the message to and prepare the SMS message. Include the link that was created for you and our system will detect the URL. Choose the sub-account you wish to send the message from, and schedule when you'd like it to be sent. Process the request. You can change the campaign name, then press send. Click on the SMS Engage tab under the Analytics function to view the survey analytics. SMS Engage is a fully integrated system with an analytics function. You can view your response rate, your average click time, your average response time, and more. The entire process is seamless and operates in real time. Have a look at how it works. So that's it. Now you know how to get instant customer feedback with SMS Engage. Check out Wavecell.com to get more info on Asia's leading cloud communications platform. We'll see you soon.